when I was like literally 13 years old, but that was not as a business. It was more for fun. Like I was together with one of my friends. We used to play soccer, or like you guys call it soccer, we call it football in the Netherlands. But yeah, we played soccer every Sunday, and we were like, oh, we should record this for some reason, and we loved that. So we started recording it, and we needed to find a platform where to post it. So we went to YouTube, posted a bunch of videos on YouTube, got into editing myself, had an old like big PC from my laptop or from my dad, and we used that PC to edit the videos. It took like 4 hours just to render it. Like nowadays, like a video like we did, that will take like 5 minutes or even less. So yeah, we recorded those videos, we put them out there, and eventually we started getting a following, and that made me go into like social media more, start taking it a bit more seriously, and then we started on Instagram. We grew a page to like 100,000 followers, 200,000 followers, and then eventually all the way up to 1.1 million followers. But I didn't know you could make money with social media until I had like 100,000 followers. Like now, if you hear that, it's crazy, but we were just like, we got 100k followers, someone hit us in the DMs, and he said to us, hey, can I buy a shout out? I was like, what? Can you make money with this? I was 16 years old, and then I worked like through that page from like 16 to 20. I didn't have to have like a job in the supermarket or like a typical teenage job, because we made money that way.